Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will be playing Assault 8, and yeah, so this is a racing car game. It's my favorite game, 100%. This is my first time playing this map, and yeah, I've been playing this game for a while, for like 4 days or something, and yeah, we have really fast cars in this race. And I'm not playing multiplayer mode. And the car that he has the same car as me. And the car that I'm looking forward to getting is the C7 Corvette. That's my favorite car in real life, so I'm gonna get that. But not today. It'll take a while to get that car. 75,000. To get that 75,000 like points or something to get that car, and I'm not the greatest player at this game, so yeah. And comment down below your favorite car, because this is a really fun game for me, and yeah. Well, what the heck is that? Oh yeah, oh that is, oh my gosh, what the heck was that? I do not get that at all. Oh my gosh, I keep on getting crashed. Okay. Let's accelerate to our top speed. Let's try to, okay. We're going this way, I guess. Drift, drift. Okay, wow. I'm better at slower. I'm more likely to win with slower cars, just because it's like easier to drive with slower cars. That's why I'm doing so bad, because I'm used to like slower cars. How is that my fault? I didn't even know it was there. Oh, whatever. Now I'm in a whole bunch of flags because of the thing. No, oh, I wanted to do a barrel. I'm probably getting like 0 stars on this, but that's okay. And yeah, so yeah, let's finish this race. Let's try to do as best as we can. We're in 7th place. That's really bad. We're in 8th place now. Now we gotta speed up, because this is what all the races are. Oh, by the way, guys, this is all computer mode, because yeah, because I'm not good enough to do multiplayer, and I don't have like really fast cars. I just got wrecked. Wow, I suck at this game. I'm gonna. Oh, okay. Okay, total 10 minutes of airtime. What? Oh, oh, oh! I know what that means. Okay, so now let's try to knock all these cars down. Okay. Yeah, I just whacked that guy. Now let's try to hit these people on the back. Nope, it's not gonna happen. Well, at least I finish line. Okay. I did. I got 4th place. Not bad. Well, anyways, guys. Sorry this is such a short video. Well, anyways, guys, this will be the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe, and bye.